Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update tire pressure monitoring and range recalibration tips, full guide step by step clearly. To update tire pressure monitoring, start by gathering the necessary tools. You will need a digital tire pressure gauge, an air compressor, and your vehicle's owner's manual. Begin by ensuring your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the tires are cold. Open the driver's side door to locate the tire pressure information sticker. This sticker displays the recommended tire pressures for your vehicle's tires. Use the digital tire pressure gauge to check the current tire pressures. Remove the valve cap from the first tire and press the gauge onto the valve stem. Record the pressure reading displayed on the gauge. Repeat this process for each tire, including the spare if applicable. Once you have all the readings, compare them to the recommended pressures. If any tire is below the recommended level, use the air compressor to inflate it. Add air in short bursts and check the pressure frequently to avoid overinflation. After achieving the correct pressure, replace the valve cap securely. Next, if your vehicle includes a tire pressure monitoring system, you may need to reset it. Refer to your owner's manual to find the specific reset procedure for your model. This often involves turning on the ignition without starting the engine. Listen for a chime or look for a notification on the dashboard indicating a reset. Once the system is reset, drive the vehicle for a short distance to allow the sensors to recalibrate. Monitor the dashboard for any warning lights indicating incorrect tire pressure. If any warning lights remain illuminated, recheck the tire pressures and the monitoring system. Now, let's move on to range recalibration tips for electric or hybrid vehicles. Start by charging your vehicle to 100% to ensure accurate range calculations. Next, fully disconnect and reconnect the high-voltage battery connection, if applicable. This process can help refresh the vehicle's computing system regarding range estimations. Drive the vehicle in various conditions over the next few days. This helps the vehicle's system learn from the new driving patterns and conditions. Monitor the range displayed on the dashboard regularly. If you notice discrepancies, consult your vehicle's service department for further diagnostics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.